Spyro.
Hello? Hello, Chidimma. This is Pastor Amoneke, your pastor.
Oh, daddy!
Who is your daddy? Chidimma, do you know how much fuel is now? Fuel is 500 naira per liter. And we used to buy 25 liters of fuel for everyday service. Chidimma. And Chidimma, you came to church last Sunday with 2 power banks. Very heavy duty power bank. Big ones. And you came to charge it in the church. Chidimma, you even charge your phone full. And Chidimma, you have the conscience. You will lobby. You came and you dropped 100 naira as offering. Chidimma. And I was praying that this week will be blessed for you. I was praying that God will bless you this week. And you were saying, you have mind to be saying amen. Chidimma. If God bless you, let me see.